to the... Moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Quarter 5 hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Hermitage, Greenville, Mercer, Stone Oil, West Middlesex, Sandy Lake, Clark, Wheatland, Fredonia, Jackson Center, New Lebanon, and Shickleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS.